chandelier is dimming low, a hush across the floor. I trace the years within your eyes, the way I did before. 1,000 conversations fade, a lifetime in a glance. But every moment leads us here to one last quiet dance. You wore the color of the dusk, a fading rose gold light. And suddenly I'm back again in the shelter of the night. And the band is playing our song, a tender slow goodbye. This final waltz beneath the stars before the morning sky. You're the silhouette in gold, the memory I hold, the last sweet touch of innocence, a story to be told. Oh, I never loved you more than in this perfect frame, as we dance the last dance, whispering your name. I remember every nervous step, the night our paths first met. A crowded room, the frantic beat, a love I can't forget. We thought we had forever then, a promise in our head. But time's a ruthless conductor, ending where we stand. Your hand is warm and steady now, a comfort I have known. And in this circle, spinning slow, we are utterly alone. And the band is playing our song, a tender slow goodbye. This final waltz beneath the stars before the morning sky. You're the silhouette in gold, the memory I hold, the last sweet touch of innocence, a story to be told. Oh, I never loved you more than in this perfect frame, as we dance the last dance, whispering your name. The music simply play and steal away the fear. 'Cause even if the lights go out, your melody is clear. It's more than just a memory, more than a soft embrace. It's the heart of everything we were that no one can erase. And the band is playing our song, a tender slow goodbye. This final waltz beneath the stars before the morning sky. You're the silhouette in gold, the memory I hold, the last sweet touch of innocence, a story to be told. Oh, I never loved you more than in this perfect frame, as we dance the last dance, whispering your name. The last dance, the last waltz in the twilight.